Samatrix is thrilled to announce its partnership with Sushant University, recognized as a leading institution in Gurgaon.
We have a team of over 102 professionals devoted to shaping the future of every student. These experts work in pairs, each specializing in a specific subject. At Samatrix, we believe in the power of face-to-face interactions. We offer regular classes, creating an environment where knowledge flourishes. Throughout the journey, we do not just impart knowledge, we empower with recognition. 14 certificates are milestones in your transformative experience.
Currently, we are proud to have thousands of students enrolled in our courses, securing admissions and paving the way for their success in top artificial intelligence and data science programs.
Hands-on learning is key. With access to 25 industry-relevant software and projects, our students are well equipped to face real-world challenges. Knowledge knows no boundaries, that is why we provide free learning management system access to all our students. Your journey does not stop at the classroom. We present over 200 AI and ML projects, turning theory into tangible, impactful solutions. Success is not a destination, it is a journey. With 100% internship and placement assistance, we pave the way for your professional ascent. Learning is a continuous process. Every month, we bring industry experts through workshops and talks from the Samatrix School, our new educational powerhouse. 50% of our syllabus is inspired by the top 20 universities globally. We provide total of 12 to 14 subjects having in-depth knowledge.
At Samatrix, we maintain a proactive approach to quality assurance, with our management team diligently overseeing content delivery. Experience the professional advantage with Samatrix's daily industry updates.
Samatrix, where education is not just a journey, it is a transformation. Join us, and together, let us redefine success.